Now students, note down the 10 words I am going to give you and search the meanings and write down the meanings of these 10 words. First word is platter, P-L-A-T-T-E-R. The second is expressly, E-X-P-R-E-S-S-L-Y. 3. Couched, C-O-U-C-H-E-D, couched. 4. Cascading, C-A-S-C-A-D-I-N-G, cascading. 5. Sophistication, S-O-P-H-I-S-T-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, sophistication. 6. Wormwood, W-O-R-M-W-O-O-D, O-O-D, wormwood. 7. Aura, A-U-R-A, the pronunciation is aura. 8. Maid, M-E-A-D, not maid, 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 M-E-A-D. 9. Slit, S-L-I-D, slit. 10. Imagination blocked, imagination, I-M-A-G-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, that, sorry, not blocked, boggled, B-O-G-G-L-E-D, boggled, sorry, not blocked, boggled, B-O-G-G-L-E-D, boggled. Now students, I am going to give you 5 questions. Note down the 5 questions and you will write the answers of these questions. The first question: who is Margaret in this story? Who is Margaret in this story, or who is presented as Margaret in the story Mrs. Flowers? Who is Margaret in the story, or who is presented as Margaret in the story Mrs. Flowers? Question 2. What kind of lesson about language? Question 2. What kind of lesson about language Mrs. Flowers taught Margaret? What kind of lesson about language Mrs. Flowers taught Margaret? I repeat, what kind of lesson about language Mrs. Flowers taught Margaret? 3. How did Mrs. Flowers serve cookies and lemonade to Margaret? 4. How did Margaret feel? How did Margaret feel when she was given the books of Beowulf and Charles Dickens to read or study? I repeat, how did Margaret feel when she was given the books of Beowulf? Beowulf spelling already you know, B-E-O-W-U-L-F, Beowulf, and Charles Dickens, is Oliver Twist, Dickens, to read and study. And the last question is, how did the young Margaret create her own identity as Margaret Johnson? How did the young Margaret create her own identity as Margaret Johnson, Johnsson. So students, this much for the day. You will note down the meanings, you will memorize the word meaning, and you will answer these 5 questions based on today's chapter. Guys, one thing I would like to tell you, that this question, that question number 1, that who is presented as Margaret in the story Mrs. Flowers, I think you can write, because in my previous lecture when I started my teaching, I told you this is an autobiographical story of whom? Autobiographical story of Maya, whom? Maya Angelou, African American Maya Angelou. So this is a clue to you or hint to you. I think you can write the answer, that who is presented as Margaret in the story. So till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.